Greetings for the day. Myself, Dr. Shubhi Goyal. Today we will be discussing data and its types in biostatistics. So, what is data? Everything from which a meaningful conclusion can be drawn after observation and collecting information constitute our data. It can be number, words, measurements, observations, or even just description of things. It can be classified upon based upon fractions, based upon measurability, and based upon source. So first is based upon fraction, which can be discussed as continuous and discrete. Discrete data cannot be fractionalized. It cannot be broken into decimals or fractions. It is taken as whole, like number of family members, number of books in shelf, size of shoe, etc. Whereas continuous data can be fractionalized into as small a part as possible. It includes decimals and fractions. For example, weight 60.5 kg, height 5 feet 4 inch, time 12 minutes 10 seconds, and so on. Here, the number can be broken into its smaller subunits. Another is based upon measurability. A data is measurable or not. Qualitative data cannot be measured, like color of hairs, face, eyes, anger, feelings, expressions, love, pain, etc. These all characteristics cannot be measured on any scale, whereas quantitative data can be measured. For example, volume of liquid, speed of car, distance, time, weight, height, number of days, etc. Qualitative can be nominal or ordinal, and quantitative can be interval and ratio. These are also the scales which we will be discussing here. Nominal data label each category by different names for easy differentiation. It does not provide any quantitative value. It can be measured as yes or no, agree, disagree, hair color, black, brown or golden, gender, male, female, the other gender, house forms, etc. Ordinal data is same as nominal, but an extra feature of following a particular order. It moves in one orderly direction. For example, elementary school, middle school, high school, graduate, postgraduate, or the winner, first and second runner-up, letters of ABCD. Interval difference. It contains all characteristics of ordinal data, but the data is measured on intervals, which not only shows the order but also shows the exact difference in the value. And that difference between each interval is equal. For example, the difference between 20 degree and 30 degree on thermometer is the same as the difference between 30 degree and 40 degree. The numbers on clock are also equidistant and measurable. The difference between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock is the same as that between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. But an interval data does not have a true zero point, which means zero temperature is not actually zero. There is some temperature at zero level too. There is nothing at 0 point in time. It has now becomes to the ratio scale. It has all properties of interval scale and an absolute zero that allows to perform a huge range of descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. The variables can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided. For example, height 0 means actually no height. 0 weight is no weight, and as you see, it follows a particular interval scale of 3 feet in height and 20 kilograms in weight. Then based upon source, it can be primary or secondary data. Here, based on the source, it can be primary or secondary data. As the name suggests, primary data is collected directly from the source with no third source in between. One-to-one contact like interview, questionnaire, mails, focus group discussions, etc. Secondary data is not collected directly. Here the information is collected through books, published sources, journals, newspapers, websites, blogs, diaries, government records, podcasts, etc. So here we end. Thank you for the time. Here is the reference.